SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy at your home. This is your mentor Nisha Gola, and today with me we will start our chapter number 13, and the name of the chapter is Perimeter and Area. So let's start our chapter here. So before starting, we have here revision exercise that by this you have checked your previous learning. Okay, so let's start here. First one is, I want to paste a ribbon around the painting. How much ribbon should I buy, मोहन? तो यहाँ पे बोलता है कि मोहन बोलता है मुझे रिबन, ये जो पेंटिंग है इसके बाउंड्रीज पे रिबन लगाना है और तो मुझे कितना रिबन खरीदना पड़ेगा. So here his friend said, let us find the length of the boundary. So he said कि हम पहले बाउंड्री की लेंथ निकाल लेते हैं टोटल. So that will be 11 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 15 centimeter, and after adding that we get here 52 centimeter. Means here his friend said you need to buy 52 centimeter ribbon. Okay, so here we have the topic perimeter. So what is perimeter? Let's see here. The length of the boundary of any plane figure is known as its perimeter. कि जो भी plane figure है उसकी अगर हम boundary की length निकाल लें total, so that will be called perimeter. In simple words, we can say the sum of all the sides of a plane figure is the perimeter. कि अगर हम सिंपली वर्ड्स में बोले तो हम कह सकते हैं कि एक प्लेन फिगर्स की सारी साइड को ऐड करने पे जो सम आएगा वो होगा हमारा perimeter. We use P to denote perimeter. If we want to write perimeter, so we can denote it by capital letter P. P equals to sum of the length of all the sides of any plane figure, as we learn here. First one is here we use the perimeter to find out the. So if we want to find out the perimeter, so हमें क्या क्या find out करेंगे? Let's see here. Length of cord or rope needed to fence a park, field, garden or a piece of land. Okay, तब हम क्या निकालेंगे? Perimeter निकालेंगे. Length of frame needed for a picture or a blackboard. अगर blackboard है या picture है उस पर हमें चारों तरफ frame लगाना है, तब हम perimeter find out करेंगे. Distance around a field or park. एक पार्क है, उसके कितना डिस्टेंस है उसके पास, ठीक है, उसके चारों तरफ कितना डिस्टेंस है उसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए भी हम पैरामीटर निकालते हैं. Here information is given. Plane figure is a small closed shape made up of line segment. So यहाँ पर हमें दिया हुआ है plane figure. So what is a plane figure? Plane figure होती है एक small closed figure जो किससे बनी हो? Line segment से. Okay. So here we have example. Let's see here. Example number 1, find the perimeter of the given shape. So here we have two shapes and we have to find out the perimeter. As we learned, sum of all the sides is perimeter. So first one is like this. So perimeter is denoted by P letter. So 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, then 1 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Here are the sides and then we will add all the sides, and after adding we get here 16 centimeter. It means we can say that the perimeter of this shape is 16 centimeter. In the same manner, here we have a shape and we have to add all the sides of this, and after adding all the sides we get here 22 centimeter. That will be our perimeter. Okay. Now we have the next topic, perimeter of regular shapes. First one is perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle is the sum of the length of its all sides. So the alongside figure is shown, PQR is a triangle, and here perimeter of triangle will be PQ plus QR plus PR. Okay, and after adding that we get here 12 centimeter. So perimeter of this triangle will be 12 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is the sum of length of its sides. So सारी की सारी जो length of side होगी उनको add करके निकलेगा. So here LMNO is a rectangle. That LM is equals to L and MN is equals to B. Okay. So now we will add LM, MN, NO and then LO. Okay. And after adding that we get here perimeter of rectangle. LM is L, MN is B, NO is L and LO is B. So we get here L plus B, L plus B. But opposite sides of a rectangle are equal lengths. As we know, this side is equals to this one and this side is equals to this one. So we can write here LM equals to NO, that is equals to L, and MN equals to LO, that is equals to B. So perimeter of rectangle will become sum of all the sides L, L, B, B. Okay. So here we can write L and L, that is 2L, and B and B 2B. Okay. Here we get the 2 as a common and then we have remaining part is L plus B. So the perimeter of rectangle will become 2 into bracket length plus breadth and bracket close set. Okay. So this is the perimeter of rectangle. Now we are moving to the next one here. Here hence we conclude the following. तो हमने इसके basis पे क्या conclude किया? The perimeter of rectangle is twice the sum of its length and breadth. जो length और breadth का sum करेंगे उसका twice क्या होगा? Perimeter होगा. So example number 2 is the length of breadth and example number 2. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are 19 meter and 16 meter respectively, and we have to find out its perimeter. We know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 bracket length plus breadth bracket close. So length is 90 meter and breadth is 16 meter, and after adding that we get here 35 and we have to double it, and after twice it will become 70 meter. So the perimeter of the rectangle field is 70 meter. Now we have perimeter of square. So here PQRS is a square given. Perimeter of square is sum of all the sides. Okay. So as we know PQ, QR, RS and PS. After adding that we get here, as we know, all the sides of a square are equal length. So we can write PQ equals to QR, QR equals to RS and RS equals to PS. So the perimeter of square PQRS will be PQ plus PQ plus PQ plus PQ. So 4 into PQ means equals to 4 into side. So the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Now we have example number 3. On the basis of this, find the perimeter of a square of side 5 centimeter. So perimeter of a square will be 4 into side. So we will multiply 5 by 4. So we get the perimeter is 20 centimeter. Okay. And example number 4, the perimeter of a square is 100 centimeter and we find the length of the side. So as we know, perimeter equals to 4 into side, and here if we want to find out the side, so we will divide perimeter by 4, and after dividing it we get here 25 centimeter. It means we can say the length of each side of the square is equals to 25 centimeter. Now we have exercise 13.1 on the basis of this. First one is find the perimeter of the following book covers. So here we have to find out the perimeter. So we can see this is the shape of rectangle, and here we can write length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 13 centimeter. So here we write perimeter of rectangular book equals to 2 bracket L plus B bracket close. Okay. Now Here we have 2. Length is 15 centimeter plus 13 centimeter. And after adding that, we get here 15 and 13, 28 centimeter. And after multiplying it, we get 56 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this book. So we can write here the perimeter of this book is 56 centimeter. Okay. Now we have question number 2. In this, find the perimeter of each of the following figures. So we have some figures here and we have to find out the perimeter. So first we write perimeter equals to sum of all the sides. Okay. So equals to, here we have 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Okay, and after adding that we get 3, 6, 9, 9, 5, 14, 14, 4, 18. So we have the perimeter here 18 centimeter of this figure. Okay, so in this manner you can find out easily the perimeter of these figures. Now find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are as follows. We know that. For that, how to find out the perimeter of triangle? Perimeter of triangle. And what is the perimeter of triangle? Sum of all the sides. Okay, so here we have sides. Perimeter will be equals to 11 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. Okay, here we have the sides of triangle. And after adding that, we get 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 8 and 38 centimeter. Okay, this is our perimeter of the given triangle. Now, question number 4, we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle whose length and breadth are as follows. So, we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. We know that perimeter of rectangle will be equals to 2 bracket length plus breadth, means sum of length and breadth twice. Okay, so here length we have 5 centimeter and breadth we have 4 centimeter. Okay, now we put the length and breadth in the given formula. 2 bracket length is 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So 2, 5 and 4 is 9 centimeter, and after multiplying it we get here 2 9s are 18 centimeter. This is a perimeter of the rectangle whose sides are length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Now question number 5, find the perimeter of squares whose sides are as follows. We have to find out now perimeter of a square. As we know, perimeter of a square equals to 4 into side. Okay, so 4 will be here, side is given here 5 kilometer. So we will multiply it by 5 kilometer, and after multiplying we get here 20 kilometer. So the perimeter of the square is 20 kilometer. Okay, so student, here some questions I have done for you, and the rest of the part of these questions you have to try to do by yourselves. These are very easy. You have to find out the sum only. Okay. Now moving to the next one. Area. Now we have next one, question number 6. We have here word problem. So let's see here. The sides of a triangular park are 71 meter, 26 meter, 91 meter, and we have to find out the perimeter of the park. So first we write here side of the triangular park are 71 meter, 26 meter and 91 meter. As we know, perimeter of triangular park will become sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. For that, we add all the sides here. 71 meter plus 26 meter plus 91 meter. And after adding that, we get here 167, 718 and 279 and 7 to 9, 9, 9, 18, 188 meter. This is the perimeter of triangular park. So here we can write the perimeter of triangular park is 188 meter. This is our answer. Okay. So in this manner we can easily solve the word problem also. Now we are moving to the next one, that is our topic, area. So what is the area? Let's see here, the amount of surface a shape covers is called its area. कि एक shape जो है वो कितना surface cover कर रही है उसको ही हम बोलते हैं area. In the figure given below, color the figures which cover less surface. So we have some figures here and we have to compare them which one is cover less surface. So here we can see this one is less surface. Okay, so we have to color with them. Here look at Pooja's sticker. Which sticker has the maximum area and which has the minimum? So by saying that we can see here one cover area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and it is cover 12 and it is cover 4 squares. Okay, so here we can write sticker 1 covers 4 number of squares, sticker 2 covers 15 number of squares and sticker 3 covers 12 number of square. So which sticker cover the minimum number of square? Minimum कौन है? First one. So here we write sticker 1. Which sticker covers the maximum number of squares? So here which is sticker 2. Okay, now we say the area of a sticker is more than sticker. So here we can write sticker, area of sticker 2 is more than the sticker 3. इससे इसका area ज़्यादा है. Okay. Now we have the exercise on the basis of area concept. Let's see here. Exercise 13.2 and here count the square each covers shape and write its area. So यहाँ पर हमें शेप के एरिया निकलने, तो वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have here 12 squares. Okay, so this is our area that is covered by this figure. Now find the areas of the following figures counting squares. The squares drawn here have a side 1 centimeter long. So यहाँ पर जो स्क्वायर बना हुआ है वो 1 centimeter long है. So first one is done for you. Here one is done for us. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 20 boxes are there. So the area will become 20. So area will become 20 square centimeter. Okay, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have here 12 squares. So the area will become 12 square centimeter. Okay, ऐसे ही आपको यहाँ पर count करना है and do this question by yourself. Now we have horse question, that is side of the square shape park is 30 meter and we have to find out the length of fence around it is. Fencing करनी है, it means we have to find out perimeter. So perimeter of square will be 4 into side and here we get 4 into 30, that will be equals to 120 meter. Okay, just like that you will do this question as per your learning. Now we have a fun activity that will you do by yourself and enjoy this activity. So student, this is all about our chapter. In this chapter we have learned about perimeter and area. I hope all the concept of this chapter has been clear to you all. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.